Guys, for today's video, we're continuing our Christmas episode and we are on our Christmas episode number 3 wherein we're going to discuss today everything about GoTime Bank naman. So we already have discussed on our first episode the Mari Bank, yesterday the Maya Bank, and today GoTime Bank. So what's special about having a GoTime digital bank right now? Kailangan mo ba siya? Ano ang features ng GoTime Bank na wala sa previously na-discuss na natin na Maya Bank and Mari Bank? So samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so first things first, napakadali lang naman mag-create ng GoTime Bank. You just need to download the app, register, provide your information, KYC, you have to provide your government ID, and kailangan nyo din mag-selfie. After ma-create ang account and na-verify, that's the time you can head over sa mga kiosk na makikita sa Robinsons Mall wherein you can ask to print for your ATM card. So this is the GoTime ATM card and this is free. Hindi nyo kailangan magbayad na katulad kay Maya Bank or even kay GCash na yung kanilang mga debit cards ay may bayad. But this one is you can get it free for the first time na ipiprint sa'yo. So during the launch ng mga digital banks, si GoTime ang isa sa may mataas na interest rate na in-offer. During that time, it was offered at 5% per annum na interest rate. Eventually, bumaba yung interest rate nila. Fast forward today, it's now 3.5%. So makita po talaga natin na ang 3.5% for the base interest for the digital and online banks is medyo yan ang standard. Though actually, I'm seeing later on magpo-fall pa yan by 3%. But cross fingers, sana mali ako. Okay, if this is 3.5%, then parehas na siya ni Mari Bank and even ni Maya Bank. Thus, in terms of the interest rate competition, pare-parehas na lang naman siya. Siguro, ito na lang yung mga advantage na nakikita ko if you're going to use GoTime Bank. Number one advantage is that mas madaling mag-cash in and cash out using GoTime. Bakit? Kasi unang-una, meron nga silang debit card. Pangalawa, wala man silang physical branch, pero nagkalat naman ang mga cash-in centers and cash-out centers. So, sino-sino ba ang mga cash-in and cash-out centers? Since this is a Gokongwei group of company, ang mga cash-in and cash-out centers, itong mga Gokongwei retail companies, katulad ng Robinsons Department Store, Robinsons Supermarket, Robinsons Easy Mart, Handyman. Ayan, basta ito yung mga listahan. Sa traditional banks kasi, pupunta ka sa isang branch, medyo limited lang yung teller. Pagpunta mo naman sa Robinsons Mall, may option ka dyan kung saan ka magka-cash in or cash out. Pwede ka sa supermarket. Diba? Maraming cashier doon. In terms of pila, wala po akong masyadong problema sa pagka-cash in and cash out. And with cash in, meron kang free cash in na 2 beses. Sa cash out naman, unlimited ang cash out mo nang walang additional service fee or bayad. So, kung meron kang GoTime, kunyari, meron ka rin GCash, instead na magpa-cash out ka sa suking tindahan mo, every 1,000 may certain fee, like 1,000, 10 pesos na certain fee. Kapag 5,000 yan, di nasa 50 pesos na yung service charge mo. Paano kung binang transfer mo na lang yan from your GCash to GoTime, that's only 15 pesos. And then kung malapit naman sa iyo itong mga cash out centers, di free na po ang cash out sa inyo. Number 2 advantage ni GoTime over other banks is si GoTime lang ang nag-release ng time deposit na in US dollar. Si Maya may time deposit but it's in Philippine peso. Sino pa ba mga may time deposit? Si Tonic, si Own Bank, however nga, they are all in Philippine peso. With GoTime, you can now store your money in US dollar. Thus, di ba, ang taas ng dollar ngayon versus nasa around 56 level lang. So, kung last year time deposit ka, kamusta na ang increase ng US dollar mo ngayon? Di ba, medyo mas malaki-laki na. Tapos, kumita pa yan ng interest and in US dollar din. So, yan yung advantage of using a time deposit na in US dollar. Though, make sure na sigurado po kayo sa pagta-time deposit nyo kasi meron pong some caveats po akong kailangang i-share sa inyo with regards to time deposit. Una, medyo hindi po maganda ang exchange rate ng peso to US dollar and then US dollar to peso. If you compare yung exchange rate nila, for example na lang po for today, na ang makikitang exchange rate dito ay 88.98 po ang selling nila, while if you compare naman po ito with BDO's buying and selling, which is a traditional bank, yan po, makikita po natin na 58.7. So, meron po siyang around 28 cents or kulang-kulang 30 cents na kita in every dollar that we buy from them. Pangalawang caveat po dyan, once na mag-mature ang inyong time deposit, you don't have any option to move your time deposit to another account or to another bank. Tanging way na ilalabas mo ang US dollar mo na yan is i-convert mo siya sa peso. Thus, somehow parang nawala yung sense ng pagsasecure mo ng pera in terms of US dollar time deposit. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel, dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. Just recently, they have announced that they're giving 20 free bank transfer every month. That's mas okay to kesa naman sa buy one, take one. Kahit pa paano, it would compete with Maribank's 15 bank transfer per week. Though ito, 20 bank transfer per month. But I guess, as an average user, hindi naman talaga natin mauubos itong 20 bank transfer na to. Meron naman ding other features pa itong GoTime Bank, such as itong recently na na-release na update nila na meron na silang More Time. More Time, ito naman yung Buy Now, Pay Later service nila. Wherein, nireview ko na rin po siya and makikita nyo yung detailed review ko dito. So, parang ano po siya, 3 months to pay na loan program. Bibigyan po kayo ng credit line. However, nakabase naman po ang pwede nyong gamitin based on your deposit. Kung gusto nyong malaman yung details about More Time and yung one thing na hinighlight ko about my issue regarding More Time, you can check over here na lang. Lastly, itong feature na to, available na rin naman kay Maya and kay GCash. It's good thing na built-in na tong feature na to within GoTime. Ito yung crypto service ni GoTime. So, itong crypto service ni GoTime, tawag niya dito ay Go Crypto, wherein you can buy crypto coins na nasa inyong bank account. Ang ilalagay mong pera sa wallet mo ay in US dollar. Which is katulad nito, tinesting ko lang po at bumili po ako ng 1 US dollar at nilagay sa aking Go Crypto wallet. Itong 1 US dollar na po na to, hindi ko pa po siya kinonvert into coins kasi kulang po yata yung 1 dollar. Tinatry ko po based dito pero ayaw po mag-proceed. So, in summary, may mga highlighted features talaga si GoTime na wala pa sa mga existing banks natin ngayon. So, for our weekly GCash giveaway, you have to answer the question of the day. Share this video to your social media accounts such as Facebook, YouTube, X, and even Instagram. So, answer nyo na po ang question of the day natin. Okay, for our question of the day, matanong ko lang naman din, though hindi po natin niche ang investment, have you even tried thinking of any investment aside from just saving your money? Ano po yung pinag-investan nyo or investment na gagawin nyo? Ayan, let me know po sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Zachary Padua at Zachary Padua. Ang sabi po niya, thank you for another educational video, sir. Please make more videos about Maya, GoTime, and Maribank, and possibly name more digital banks with good benefits and trustworthy. Ayan, kay Zachary Padua at Zachary Padua, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for appreciating the content na ginagawa ko. And actually this week po, more on digital and online banks po ang i-discuss natin. So stay tuned po. And again, thank you po for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!